Assalamualaikum. There is a saying that the love of gardening is a seed, one sown that never dies. If you want to be happy for a lifetime, be a gardener. Rooftop gardening is a private eco-friendly venture that provides a chance to be close to nature and to harvest fruits and vegetables in one's hands. As the agricultural land of our country is striking at a rapid rate, rooftop gardening can play a vital role to preserve nature. With a proper plan and vision, one can invest time in turning monotonous life into a mind-refreshing period during this COVID-19 lockdown situation. Nurturing the plants, they can have a peaceful mind and remove their stress, anxiety, and fatigue dramatically. Rooftop gardening provides quality recreational activities, so city dwellers should be encouraged to start rooftop gardening as much as possible for the betterment of our environment.
Definition of rooftop gardening. Rooftop gardens are man-made green space on the topmost levels of industrial, commercial and residential structure. In other words, a restaurant or nightclub at the top of a building, often in connection with or decorated to suggest an outdoor garden. They may be designed to grow produce, provide play space, give shade and shelter, or simply be there as the living green area.
Kinds of rooftop gardening. There are three types of rooftop gardening. Number one, extensive rooftop gardening. Extensive rooftop gardening refers to low maintenance rooftop garden that has a thin, lightweight growing medium. It is limited to sedum, mosses, herbs, and small plants, etc. Number two, semi-intensive rooftop gardening. These types of rooftop gardening consist of small plants, herbs, small shrubs that requires occasional irrigation. Basically, it is the mixture of intensive and extensive rooftop gardening. Number three, intensive rooftop gardening. These types of rooftop gardening characterized by deep soil growing medium. Small to large trees, shrubs, ground covers, and even small plants can be grown here.
I discussed about the benefits of rooftop gardening. There are many sectors are benefited by the rooftop gardening. There are main three sectors are financial, economical, or environmental. A few particular benefits of environmental sectors are our air quality improved, or creating habitat for wildfire, rainwater are most proper uses, save energy and save money. These buildings are long lasting and color.
Hello everyone, I will discuss on people perception on rooftop gardening. Rooftop gardening is a private eco-friendly venture. The people awareness of climate change and to protect nature, city dwellers have started rooftop gardening as an alternative for plantation in the lands. People obtain fruits and vegetables harvested by their hands, their soul lives up with joy. In the modern city life, rooftop gardening provides quality recreational activities. As people nurture the plants, they feel peaceful inside. Their stress, anxiety, and fatigue lessen quite dramatically. Thus, rooftop gardening is gradually improving people's life.
Assalamualaikum. Myself MD Islam. This time I'll try to describe some expectation that you have from the rooftop gardening. So let's go in the scheme. Expectation of rooftop gardening. Always touch in nature. First, we can meet our daily demand for fruits and vegetables through the rooftop garden. Secondly, we can get a touch of nature in our city life by this rooftop gardening, and this is the final. We'll be able to save our environment by this rooftop gardening.
In conclusion, I would like to say that the rooftop garden has a positive impact on environmental issues. Rooftop gardening can promote a sustainable and livable city. Local fresh and safe food can be ensured through roof garden in urban areas. It can also support environment by improving air quality, reducing carbon in the atmosphere. Nowadays, maximum people are willing to practice rooftop gardening and want to